Assalamualaikum students. How are you students? How was your weekend? Hope it was good. Yesterday, in previous week we have studied about addition. What was that? Have you remember? समझ आ रहा है? याद है क्या किया था हमने पिछले वीक में? पिछले वीक में हमने एडिशन की थी. We have done with addition. What was addition? Addition is to add, to count, मिलाना, add करना, कोई चीज को add up करना, मिलाना. Clear बच्चे? Now in this week we are going to study about subtraction. Okay? Our topic of discussion will be subtraction. Clear बच्चे? जैसे हमारे पास एडिशन में ऐड करना होता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमारे पास सब्ट्रैक्ट में हम क्या करते हैं, एक चीज को कट करते हैं. ठीक है? लाइक इफ वी हैव अ वुडन रोप, एक हमारे पास वुड हो और उसको हम हाफ कट कर दें तो हमारे पास कितना रह जाएगा? हाफ रह जाएगा ना. तो दैट इज वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दैट वुड. Clear? Now we are moving towards our next. What is actually subtraction? Subtraction is removing some objects from a group. Let's say we have a group of 5 apples. Clear? If we remove 2 apples from that group, we are left with 3 apples. Clear, bache? We are left with 3 apples. Clear? So what is that? This is subtraction. Clear? This is subtraction. हमारे पास अगर एक bunch of flowers हो, we have 10 flowers in a bunch. If we remove 3 flowers from that, we are left with 7 flowers. That means we are removing 3 flowers from that bunch. Clear? Clear बच्चे? Okay. अच्छा, in simple word subtraction क्या होता है? Subtraction हमारे पास कट करना होता है, कुछ चीज किसी चीज से रिमूव करना होता है, कट करना होता है. क्लियर? हटाना होता है, उस पूरे ग्रुप में से हटाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Subtraction. Clear? Now we are moving towards our next. So the sign of subtraction is this. Clear? ठीक है? हमारे पास जो साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन हम यूज करते हैं वो क्या होता है? वो ऐसे साइन होता है. क्लियर? हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. क्लियर? सिंपल स्मॉल हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. नाउ we are moving towards our example. If we have 6 number and we are subtracting 1 from that, we are left with 5. Clear? Here is the answer of subtraction is called as difference. Clear बच्चे? Note down the answer of the subtraction is called as difference. Okay बच्चे? You are looking towards the slide. 6 is called as minuend, -1 is called as subtracand, and 5 is called as difference. Now we are moving towards terms used in the subtraction. Minuend, subtracand, and difference. Clear? These terms are used in difference. And some words which are used as terms in subtraction, that is subtract, left. जब भी आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन में लेफ्ट शो हो जाए या फिर हमारे पास क्या शो हो जाए, हाउ मच लेफ्ट, तो आप समझ जाओगे कि ये क्वेश्चन किस चीज का है. दैट इज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्लियर? सो we are moving towards the exercise of the subtraction. Here, this is the exercise of subtraction. Hurry up, prepare your page, write the date. Today is 24th May, and you are doing your class work. Today is Monday. Clear? You have to write the serial number. in the middle of the page, you have to write the exercise number 1. In the middle of the page, you have to write the exercise number 1. Clear? Clear? In exercise number 1, we have in the middle of the page, you have to write the exercise number 1. Clear? We have question number 1 as solve the following. Question number 1 as solve the following. Now we are moving towards our part A question. Part A question. What is that? Remember, we have done this as well in addition. This is the place value of these digits. This is the place value of these digits. This is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Clear? And our first value is 43,562. And the next value is 7,366. Clear? Now we are going to subtract this second digit from the first. Now, bache, 2 minus 6. Now 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6 na bache. 2 is less than 6. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from here. But look at this tens. When we borrow 1 digit from here, we are left with 5 here. But 5 is again less than 6. So this is the bad option. So we have to borrow 1 digit from 100. Clear? We have to borrow 1 digit from 100. So we are borrowing 1 digit from here. So we are borrowing 1 digit from here. So we make this as 16. And here we are left with 4. Clear? Now we are borrowing 1 digit from this 16. So we are left here with 15. Clear? Here 1 comes, so the digit becomes 12. Clear? So the digit becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 15 minus 6, 9. 15 में से 6 को कट करो तो कितने डिजिट्स बचते हैं? 9. Clear? 4 minus 3, 1. Now in 1000 place value, 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7. So we will borrow 1 digit from here. So we are left here with 3. So this digit becomes 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 13 minus 7, 6. And 3 minus 0. यहाँ पे कोई digit नहीं है तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 0 है. तो ये क्या बन गया? 36,196. Clear? Now we are moving towards our part B. Clear? We are moving towards our part B. Clear? Again, we have to write the place value, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Clear? And we are moving and we are starting the question with our right side. Clear? So 8 is less than 9. So 9 will not be minus from 8. So we will borrow from tens place. But look at tens place, 8 is also greater than 4. So that is the bad option. We have to move to our 100 place value. Clear? So we will borrow 1 digit from here. So the tens becomes 14. And here we are left with 7. Clear? 14 में से 1 हमने यहाँ बोरो किया तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या रह गया? 13. अब यहाँ पे ये क्या बन गया? 18. 18 में से 9 गया तो क्या बना? क्या रहा हमारे पास? We are left with 9. We are left with 9. Here tens value 13 minus 8. 13 में से 8 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या रहेगा हमारे पास? 5. 13 में से 8 गया तो क्या बचेगा हमारे पास 5. Now we are moving towards our 100 place value. 7 minus 3, we are left with 4. Clear? We are left with 4. Now we are moving towards 1000 place value. Now 1000 digit 6 is greater than 4, so we can easily minus 4 from 6. So we are left with 2. We are left with 2. 5 minus 3. 3 is also less than 5, so it can be easily minus from 5. So 5 minus 3, we are left with 2. So our answer is 22,459. Clear? Clear, bache? Now, part C and part D, you have to do by your own self. Clear? This is your homework. The same procedure will be used in these questions. Clear? Now, we are moving towards our question number 2. That is, solve the following. That is, solve the following. Now, we are given with 2 digits, 2 values. That is, part A, 45,158 minus 34,756. Clear? So, first we have to write the question. First we have to write the question, then solution, then question repeat. Then question repeat. You have to left that one 9. Then you have to write the place value. Then you have to write the place value. That is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. That is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So in subtraction, we have to start from our right side, and by looking at ones place, 8 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 6. So we can easily minus 6 from 8. We are left with 2. We are left with 2. 5. Now we are moving towards our tens place. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. We are left with 0. We are left with 0. Now, on 100 place, 1 is less than 7. So, 7 will not be minus from 1. So, we have to borrow 1 digit from 1,000. Clear? So, on 100 place, if we borrow 1 digit from here, the value becomes 11. And we are left with 4 here. Clear? 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. We have 4. We have 4. 4 minus 4. We have 0. We have 0. 4 minus 3. We are left with 1. So our answer is 10,402. 10,402. Now we are moving towards our part B, that is 97,843 minus 61,732. Now you have to write the solution. Then you have to repeat the question. Clear? 97,843 minus 61,732. Clear? Again, you have to left with one line. Now you have to write the place value, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Clear? Clear? Now, as there is a rule, you have to start from the right. You have to start from the right. In subtraction, you have to start from the right. So first you have to look at ones place. First, you have to look at ones place. Here, 2 is less than 3. So it can be easily minus from 3. 3 minus 2, we are left with 1. Now we are moving towards our tens place, where 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4, or 4 is greater than 3. So 3 can be easily minus from 4. So we are left with 1. Now we are moving towards our 100th place. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. So we are left with 1. We are left with 1. Now we are moving towards our 1000th place value. Here we have 7 minus 1. So 1 is less than 7. So it can be easily minus from 7. 7 minus 1, we are left with 8. Clear? We are left with, 6. We are left with 6. 7 में से 1 गया. We are left with 6. Clear? Now we are moving towards our 10,000 place value. Here we have to minus 6 from 9. So again 6 is less than 9. Now 6 is less than 9. 9 minus 6, we are left with 3. We are left with 3. Here बच्चे 7 is greater than 1. 7 minus 1, we are left with 6. 6. So our answer is 36,111. Clear बच्चे? So our answer is 36,111. Again बच्चे, the next two parts is your homework. The same procedure will be used in these all parts. Clear बच्चे? Tomorrow inshallah we will start with our word problems of subtraction. Clear बच्चे? And okay, the small recap of today's lecture. What we have done today? We have done with the topic of subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is to cut. Clear? What the subtraction is? To cut. If we have a group of 5 apples, if we want to remove 2 apples from that group, we are left with 3 apples. So this is the procedure known as subtraction. Clear बच्चे? This is the procedure known as subtraction. Clear? Clear? So hurry up बच्चे. If you want to ask any type of question regarding subtraction, you can ask me. You have last 2 minutes. Okay, thank you बच्चा. Allah Hafiz.